video. And this is my beautiful sister. She will be the first one to enjoy her speech. And she's done. So welcome guys to my new vlog. If you saw my video, it was from the monocular. And this is a flashlight. You know why I talk about this? Because it's chargeable. Look. Yes. And you know about this? It is very cool. And I picked the brand of Ecolum Light because this is the most I like ones. And this guys, for the one match, I want to say that Ecolum Light will last for will up to 8 years. Because I searched it to Google first before buying it, but I saw it up to 8 years. And when I bought this, I feel like I feel like enjoy. I think it can be chargeable. And the second, you can use this like emergency, house, or brownout. And you can use it hiking or something. And now, let's test it out.